How to add widgets to Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a widget in Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open Notion and log in to your account. You can also use the Continue with Google option for quick access. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the page where you want to add a widget. Click anywhere on the page and type a slash, then type the word embed. From the menu that appears, click on the embed option. Now you'll see a box asking for a link. This is where you'll paste the widget URL. You can use any widget link like a weather widget, to-do list, clock, or even a calendar. Paste the link into the field and then click on the embed link button. The widget will now appear right on your Notion page. You can drag to reposition it or resize it to fit your layout. Widgets help you bring more functionality into your workspace and make it feel dynamic and organized. Try different widgets to see what works best for your workflow. And that's all for the video.